So I'm just doing a video on how to remove your tailpipe, and I found a FMF, I think it's a Q4 for like $100, so it's a pretty smoking deal. So let's get right into this. First things we got to do is take off this bolt and this bolt. I'm doing this all with one hand, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out and cut back from time to time, and I'll get back to it. So as you can see, I've removed the two bolts that I was just talking about. The next is to remove the spring that's underneath with a spring puller. So if you don't have a spring puller, here's what a spring puller looks like. Again, I'm going to try and do this with one hand. Just like that, that's off. And at that point, your pipe should be loose and free to move, just like so. Work it off. There's the pipe. So that's removed. We got to take these bushings or spacers and put them into the new pipe, and I will do that now. So these spacers you'll have to remove. There's a front side and a back side. This one's they're a little tight in there, but so the big one's the front side, the small one's the back side. Then you're going to have to work this rubber grommet out. So now you have to take those grommets out. You have to feed those new grommets into the new pipe, which is not hard, but it's a little more challenging. So now the back side, you just push that back in, flip the pipe over. Front side, and then you're ready to fit it up. So lining up the two ends, which is again pretty simple. I'm going to need my two hands for this, so I'm going to again pause it. Oops, sorry about the shaky video there. I'm going to pause it up again. So now that I've got that in place, I can take the bolts, put them back in. Just get that started there, and then I can throw the other one in. Sorry about the, again, shaky video. Tighten those down, and voila! We've got a new pipe on the bike. There's no spring holder or retainer on this pipe, so I don't have to put that spring off. You can take that, put that aside with your stock muffler.